Hey guys, how you doing? BJ here from Guaranty Chevrolet in Junction City. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Yukon Denali XL. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's fully loaded with every single option you could ever imagine. It's got the 6.2 liter big boy engine in it, the upgraded motor, a little bit more power. Absolutely gorgeous condition. We're going to come around. I want you to notice the electronic steps that come out. Take a look at the inside. This thing is absolutely pristine. The leather is in fantastic condition. The car looks like brand new inside. One thing that's kind of special about this one, you've got the captain chairs in the second row. So much more comfortable and so much nicer for everybody to get in the back. Also, when you look at the ceiling, you've got dual entertainment. Middle passengers, third row passengers, they all get to watch TV. Electronic liftgate. Electronic seats also. Everything's push button. Electronic steps. Quite possibly the nicest one on the entire planet. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, heads-up display, a Bose sound system that absolutely rocks. Call us today. It's not going to last long, guys. Thanks.